Shut your ass up, bootlicker.
Excuse me, what was that?
I said, shut up, bootlicker, bootlicker.
Cocksucker, can I press charges on that?
Dumbass.
Oh, you're funny.
Cops Life Matter. Look at his fucking sticker. Cops Life Matter.
Is that what it has?
Yeah. Hey, did you give this bozo a ticket?
Oh. Good night, man. Good night, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Did you educate him about the First Amendment? Good night. Hey, what was your name and badge number, sir?
Leo, 75.
All right, man. Thanks. All right.
Don't get mad at freedom. Damn.
Yeah, what's up, brother? Yeah. Hey, lick boots. Cops Lives Matter.
They do have Cops Lives Matter.
Cops Lives Matter, but he's
Well, they don't care about you because they gave you a ticket.
Did they give him a ticket?
She has that fart face.
Lay off the steroids, lady. Damn, she got muscles coming out of her cheeks.
Hey, I bet you she's like, these motherfuckers are out here deep. But they ain't playing today.
Shit, G-Rod, plug in your channel, brother.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Go subscribe to who?
Subscribe to G-Rod.
G-Rod.
G-R-O-D, space R-O-D.
That's right, G-Rod. You guys already know Nate's Gates. Subscribe to Nate's Gates 182. You got a channel yet, man?
Nah, I don't.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Casey,
Move on to the other one over there. Maybe
let's go, let's go. I plugged them in, man. Casey Camera Boy, Tulare County Cop Watch, South Valley Watch, and Bailey Public Press. You guys go subscribe. One cop right there. I'm doing some cop watching in Visalia, California. Shit. Yeah, stay tuned.
Hey, you can't record here. He flip it on G-Rod. Hold on.
You flipped it on G-Rod? The cop's coming back?
Where he at?
The bootlicker?
Yeah.